Good morning students. Today we are learn types of companies. Types of companies, they are the first types we are learned the last lecture. They are the basis type last lecture we are completed. Today we are learn other types. Other types, they are the first types government's company. Section 2 subsection 45. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by central government. It means at least 51% paid up share capital is held by central government. State government or government partly by central government and partly by one or more state government or subsidiary company of a government company. Government company may be private company or a public company. For example, Hindustan Machine Tools Limited, Steel Authorities of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Coal India Limited, Oil Natural Gas Corporation Limited, etc. Another types of the company, foreign company. Foreign company, section 2 subsection 42. Foreign company means a company incorporated outside India. That is not an Indian company, it is outside of India, but having a place of business in India, and this business are stabilized in India. That is the National India Limited, Bata India Limited, Whirlpool Corporation, etc. Those all companies are the foreign company. There is a foreign companies, but there is a stables in India. Another types of companies here, dormant company. Dormant company, if a company is registered for a future project or has not made any significant accounting transaction in last 2 years or has not filed financial statement or annual return in last 2 years. After making applications under section 455 can be called as a dormant company. It means the company is registered for a future project. We are doing one project in futures after 2 years or has not made any significant accounting transaction is last 2 years or any not filing financial statement or annual return in last 2 years. We are not filing any significant accounting and any filing for financial statement and any returns are here, and therefore these companies are declared for here the dormant company. Another types of the company is a listed company. Listed company, section 2 subsection 52. Listed company means a company which has any of its security listed on any recognized stock exchange company or unlisted company. The listed company will also have to follow Security Exchange Board of India SEBI guidelines and the provisions of the Company Act 2013. There is a listed company. Listed companies which is any of the security list on any recognized stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, any stock exchange, recognized stock exchange, the security list are there, and these companies are safe for the listed companies. Another types of the companies are small company. As per section 2 subsection 85 of the Act, small company means a company other than a public company, paid up share capitals of which does not exceed rupees 50 lakh or such higher amount as may be prescribed. That the paid up capitals only rupees 50 lakh rupees, that such higher amount may be prescribed. These companies are said to small company. Another turnover of which as per its last profit and loss account does not exceed rupees 2 crores. There is not more than 2 crores are the turnover for those company. Those companies are said to the small company or such higher amount as may be prescribed. Private company, one person company, and other than public company can be a small company. Another types of company, associate company. Section 2 subsection 6. An associate company is one over which another company exercise a significant degree of control, which is less than the degree of control exercised over a subsidiary company. These are the subsidiary companies. Then association companies, one over which another companies exercising significant degrees and control. There is another companies that exercise and significant controls here, which less than the degree of control are exercised over the subsidiary company. These companies are the subsidiary company. Associate company is related to another company, means a company in which that other's company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company. It is a subsidiary company. And last one, company not for profit. These ones are we are learned for section 8. Such company are registered. There is a company not for profit. Then today we are learn here types of others company. Thank you students. Now assignment question, write down the other types of joint stock company. Thank you.